Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm so excited to show you another $1 makeup product, and this is from AOA Studio, Pink Lemonade Lip Balm. I'm so excited about this because I love pink lemonade and the scent of it sounds amazing. And also, if you're familiar with me and my channel, you know I love trying out lip balms. My lips are always chapped. They definitely need some balm right now. But I just really am excited to be trying out more $1 makeup products because I feel like it's getting hard to find even a $1 lip balm. So I really want to share really great but affordable products here on my channel. And I love the brand AOA Studio from the ShopMissA website, so I'm hopeful for this. It comes in so many different amazing sounding scents. It was hard for me to choose. It's also cruelty-free, and it says that it's supposed to help form a protective barrier on the lips, retaining moisture. It's free of silicones, phthalates, formaldehydes, polyethylene glycol, alcohol, and artificial color. Okay, let's get into this and see how it smells first of all. I don't smell anything yet. And it's just a no color. I was so excited about the smell, and I literally don't smell anything. I'm gonna just do a little on my hand. Maybe I have to like warm it up. No. I'm like really not getting any scent. If I really try and look for something lemonade-ish, I can get like the slightest hint of a sweet smell, but I was expecting this to be pretty potent, and it is so not. But let's see. Oh my gosh, my lips are so chapped and like peeling right now. This is not cute, but let's see how this is on my terrible looking lips. It's moisturizing. It doesn't really have a shine, and it's not getting rid of the dry, flaking skin the way some super hydrating lip products can, like lip oils and more like lip mask texture type products can do. This is doing, like it said, it coats over the lips, so it doesn't make my lips look perfected. Like I still have chapped, visible areas on my skin, which is not something I want to have. So it's not going to be what I reach for when my lips are this chapped, but it is a good product to reach for if you just want to keep your lips from getting any more chapped, maintain the moisture. So I feel like I would need to kind of do a lip scrub, get rid of that dry skin, and then put this on top because it really is a nice thick balm. It feels like a good barrier, but not deeply moisturizing. But so for $1, it's a decent lip balm, but the fact that I can't even smell the pink lemonade, you know, that has me pretty disappointed right now. But it's okay. It doesn't have the best reviews on the ShopMissA website, and I really think you could always trust the reviews because I was thinking, like, how can a lip balm be that bad that the reviews weren't great? But I get it. I am in complete agreement with those reviews. It's not one that I'm going to go pick up in other scents, which I was hoping maybe I would want to do because a $1 lip balm sounds like a pretty good deal, but I don't even really think it's necessarily worth that for how chapped my lips get. But if you do have any favorite inexpensive lip balms, let me know about them in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.